In today's episode, we are going to be talking about 7 things that you didn't know about avocado oil. And at the end of the episode, I'm going to be sharing with you one major myth that has been busted about avocado oil and what you need to know about it, because this is such an amazing superfood. And if you haven't seen my other videos about avocados, be sure to check out my 8 incredible avocado benefits, or 10 ways to use an avocado in your hair for gorgeous hair, luscious locks. But without further ado, let's get started. Number 1, most people don't know this, but avocado oil is a relatively new superfood on the scene. While we have been enjoying avocados as a delicious fruit in salads and guacamole for quite some time, it is only more recently that we discovered the amazing benefits of the oil inside of the avocado. And so many people think that they know all about avocado oil because it's been hyped up so much in the health and beauty world. But there's still so much more to discover and learn about this amazing superfood. Number 2, contrary to what most people believe, avocado oil is actually not the same thing as avocado oil. Did you know that? So when you press the avocado, you will see that a dark green colored oil comes out of it, and this is often called avocado oil. However, when you refine the avocado oil, you get rid of most of the nutrients, and so what you are left with is just the oil itself. So the healthiest way to consume avocado is definitely unrefined avocado oil, because this is going to contain all of those amazing nutrients which are called phytosterols, which we're going to talk about later in the video. Number 3, the misconception that avocado oil is high in saturated fats. Many people avoid using avocado oil because they think that it is high in saturated fat. However, this is actually a myth that has been busted. And what you need to know is that avocado oil is actually high in unsaturated fats, especially monounsaturated fats, which are very healthy for your heart. So avocado oil can actually help to improve your good cholesterol levels, which is HDL cholesterol, and reduce your bad cholesterol levels, which is LDL cholesterol. So next time you hear someone telling you that avocado oil is high in saturated fat, you can confidently tell them that it is actually high in unsaturated fats, especially monounsaturated fats, which are very good for your heart. Number 4. Another myth that needs to be busted is the belief that avocado oil is high in calories. It is true that avocado oil is high in calories, but these are good calories. They are nutrient-dense calories. And so instead of feeling like you need to avoid avocado oil because it is high in calories, think of all of the amazing nutrients that you're getting along with those calories. For example, if you're using avocado oil as a salad dressing, you can skip the high-calorie, high-fat, unhealthy salad dressings that you buy from the store, because you can make your own healthy salad dressing with avocado oil. You can also use avocado oil in cooking because it has a high smoke point. And so instead of using vegetable oils that are inflammatory and high in omega-6 fatty acids, you can switch over to using avocado oil and feel good about it because it is a healthy oil to cook with. Number 5. Most people don't know that avocado oil can actually help with weight loss. In fact, the healthy fats found in avocado oil actually promote satiety. And so if you are trying to lose weight, incorporating avocado oil into your diet may actually help you because it is going to keep you full longer. Additionally, avocado oil helps your body absorb all of the important nutrients that are found in the foods that you eat. And so if you are well nourished, you are less likely to feel hungry and impulsively reach for the first food that you see. Also, avocados contain lutein, which has been shown to reduce abdominal fat. So avocado oil can help with weight loss in multiple ways. Number 6. There is a myth out there that avocado oil is too heavy for your skin and it can clog your pores. However, this is not true. Avocado oil is actually lightweight and non-greasy, and it won't clog your pores. In fact, it can actually help to reduce acne because it reduces inflammation of the skin. And so if you suffer from acne or other types of skin conditions, consider using avocado oil topically on your skin. And I also have a video about how to use avocado oil for beautiful, glowing skin. So be sure to check that out after this video. Also, avocado oil is loaded with antioxidants which protect your skin from free radical damage. So it actually helps your skin to look younger and more youthful. And it's also great for mature skin because it helps to hydrate and moisturize your skin. And number 7. Did you know that avocado oil is one of the richest sources of beta-sitosterol? Beta-sitosterol is a type of phytosterol found in avocado oil, and it has been shown to reduce inflammation in the body. Phytosterols are also known as plant sterols, or as cholesterol found in plants, and they are actually thought to play a role in reducing cholesterol levels and improving heart health. And so consuming enough beta-sitosterol, which you can find in avocado oil, can actually help to protect your heart and reduce inflammation throughout your entire body. And inflammation is at the root of all disease. Now that we have talked about all of these amazing benefits of avocado oil and what you need to know about it, let's move on to the bonus section, where I'm going to share with you one major myth that needs to be busted about avocado oil. So if you've been doing some research about avocado oil, you might have come across the claim that avocado oil is high in oxalates. Now this is a myth that needs to be busted, because avocado oil actually contains very low levels of oxalates, and it's not going to contribute to kidney stones. In fact, there is a study that tested various types of oils, including avocado oil, for their oxalate content. And what they found was that avocado oil actually had one of the lowest levels of oxalate, and this is why I always recommend avocado oil as a salad dressing, or as a way to replace unhealthy oils that you would normally put in your salad. So if you're worried about oxalates, don't worry about avocado oil. Another myth that needs to be busted is the belief that avocado oil is going to go bad. However, this is not true. Avocado oil is actually very stable because it has a high smoke point and it is rich in antioxidants. And so you don't need to worry about it going bad unless you open the bottle and expose it to air and bacteria, and then it may go bad, but it's not going to spoil in your cupboard. There is another myth that needs to be busted, and that is the belief that you should avoid avocado oil if you have high cholesterol. However, this is not true. As I mentioned earlier in the video, avocado oil is high in monounsaturated fats, which actually help to reduce bad cholesterol levels while increasing good cholesterol levels. So there is no need to avoid avocado oil if you have high cholesterol. I hope that you enjoyed learning all of these new things about avocado oil and that it will inspire you to start incorporating more avocado oil into your diet and even into your topical skincare routine. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. I always appreciate your comments and your feedback. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because I would love to have you here within the community. I post new videos every single week about natural health and wellness tips, and so I know that you're going to find a lot of helpful information here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.